Inside the box, everything is neatly organized. Alongside the table fan itself, Aecooly includes a USB charging cable and user documentation. The presentation feels refined rather than overly flashy, and the product arrives well protected during transport. The fan itself is surprisingly pretty compact. It occupies very little desk space while still maintaining a substantial and stable presence. Unlike many portable fans that feel lightweight to the point of fragility, the Chic 01 immediately gives the impression of being a carefully engineered device. One of the first things that impressed me during testing was the build quality. The Chic 01 looks far more premium than a typical desk fan, with smooth curves, clean lines, and a modern design centered around its Smart Touch LED screen. The circular display clearly shows speed levels, battery status, and operating modes, while touch controls are responsive and easy to use. The construction feels sturdy, with a stable base that remains secure even at maximum speed and oscillation. Its compact size also makes it easy to move between a desk, bedside table, kitchen counter, or outdoor space whenever needed. Airflow distribution is another strength of the Chic 01. It supports 60, 120, and 180-degree oscillation modes, making it equally suitable for personal cooling or wider room coverage. The adjustable head can also tilt 7 degrees upward and 10 degrees downward, allowing airflow to be directed precisely where needed. In daily use across bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices, the combination of wide oscillation and tilt adjustment made the Chic 01 feel far more versatile than a typical. The version reviewed here features the larger 8,000 mAh battery, delivering impressive endurance. Depending on speed and oscillation settings, a single charge can last for several days of typical use, up to 40 hours at lower speeds. The fan can also operate while charging, effectively serving as a permanent desk fan when plugged in. USB charging adds further convenience, allowing easy recharging from power banks, laptops, or standard USB adapters, making the Chic 01 an excellent companion for both home and outdoor use. The Aecooly Chic 01 is one of the most impressive portable table fans I have tested recently. It combines premium design, solid build quality, precise 100-level speed control, versatile oscillation modes, and excellent battery life in a compact package. The Smart Touch LED screen enhances usability, while the big battery provides genuinely practical cordless operation. Most importantly, it delivers smooth, comfortable airflow that remains pleasant during extended use. For anyone seeking a premium portable fan for home, office, travel, or outdoor use, the Chic 01 earns a strong recommendation.